Hello Ethan! Welcome back to my channel. Another question mula sa Euphoria Magazine na kung saan nagkaroon sila ng kunting interview. Another interview question mula sa Euphoria Magazine. When people outside the Philippines discover your music for the first time, what do you hope their first impression is? Not just of you, but of P-pop as a whole. Ito nga ang sagot ni Pablo, of course, Pinuno. Personally, I don't think in one song they could be able to see the whole Filipino culture. I think if they're going to be able to listen our music and like it, I just want them to think that these artists mean business, and then when they get to listen to us, hopefully they explore what we do here in the Philippines, such as how Filipinos are as artists, our culture, our food, everything. Hopefully through our music, a door opens for them to experience Filipino culture. O di ba talagang ang galing sumagot ni Pablo at syempre, totoong-totoo yan ang aim ng SB19. Itong sagot ni Pablo ay talagang masasabi nating maka-Filipino siya at syempre iniisip niya palagi ang kanilang kapwa singer na belong sa P-pop, lalo na ang mga ahid sa kanila na medyo hindi masyadong sumikat at nabigyan ng pagkataon na mag-shine. Dahil ang SB19, sila talaga ang nabigyan ng totally shine o totally time na mag-shine sa mundo ng musika, hindi lang sa buong Pilipinas, kundi sa buong Asia at sa buong mundo.